Yeah. You like the giant snowplows?
I did it! Snowblower!
Okay. Is that a... Oh, shit. Yeah, big old trucks in here.
What's that sound? Construction.
He's backing up.
Whoa! It's so big! Honey.
You want me to step in it? Yeah, I'm short. Look it.
Do you have flash pants on?
Yep. Like a 3-foot drop right here for the splash pad. It's just buried in snow. The only thing to buy in a snowstorm. He's so cute. That's a Cybertruck. Zoom in. Went to go get a car wash and they're stuck. Why are you getting a car wash in a storm?
Imagine
They're so
all the
stuck.
snow in this whole earth.
There's a plow there trying to get them out. Oh my goodness. They got out. They're free.